cold, turning warmth into cold. From owl's breath and feathered might, bolt of ice, extinguish light!
In that moment, the chill that would soon consume me took its shape. A weapon born out of malice, designed for a single purpose: to lull the dear monster into eternal slumber.
The cold, his story is old.
Gods do not belong here. The cold is your true calling. To the temple to an everlasting burial.
He's not breathing.
His heart's not beating either.
The frozen tundra reclaims its son.
No! Leave him alone!
The Guardian's slumber has begun. Now he will join the other old gods, long forgotten, dwelling beneath these frozen halls.
What are they doing to him?
They're sealing him in. He's been buried alive, trapped under the ice. Forever.
No, it can't be over. Not until we make them pay. Let's burn this place down! For dear monster!
Retreat! Retreat!
Where am I? The cultists buried me. They will not get away with this. I know this place. To escape the old cold's grasp, one must endure the trials of the past. The entity, what are you doing here?
Cultists stole my power to create the bolt that stopped your heart. And when a god of the forest passes, their spirits are trapped here, in the catacombs.
I will not suffer the same fate. This tomb will not be my grave.
To leave, you must pass 3 tests. But know this, Forest Guardian. If you fail even one, your soul will be repossessed, imprisoned with the rest of the dead for all of eternity.
I accept.
Then enter. Your first challenger awaits.
I'm not afraid of you, Phantom. Show yourself.
No deer could ever match the strength of a bear.
My claws are useless against him, but not the ice. This cold isn't just a prison. It's his one weakness.
was not in your antlers, but in your mind. My spirit is finally free.
These platforms aren't nearly as secure as they seem.
A deer who relies only on sight will never survive here.
My eyes are deceiving me. I must learn to trust my other senses.
You have passed. A mind unclouded is stronger than any sight. Thank you, Forest Guardian.
You have made it, Forest Guardian. You have passed the trials of strength and cunning. You have proven yourself worthy.
But the final trial.
Is this not enough? You have endured so much. Go on. Return to the family you love. This is your chance. Your final test is already passed.
No, it cannot be this simple.
Congratulations, Forest Guardian. The bear's strength, the wolf's cunning, the owl's wisdom. None were a match for a heart so true. Now, truly, you have passed the final test.
The great freeze that buried me is gone now. The power they twisted has been set free. The ice thawed and the plants bloomed. My woods were reborn from the ashes of winter, now even stronger.
Deer monster!
You escaped? But how? We watched them bury you!
That is a story for another time. What matters is I am here, now, with you. I am the forest's man and